So I'm going to show you how to do first come first serve scheduling algorithm. So by the way, I am Brendan Magsino. So I'm gonna show you how to do first come first serve algorithm. So yes, may number tayo dito na 119, 59, 111, 37, 106, 64, 101, 29, and 81. So next, dahil first come first serve, kung sino ang nauna, siya lagi ang uunahin natin. So, dito sa mga number na to, ang nauna lagi is si 119. So, dahil laging mauuna tayo sa 70, uunahin natin siya. So, dito muna tayo sa 70 mag-uuna bago sa 119. So, 119, igagraph lang natin yung 119. Tapos 59. Tapos 111. Tapos 37. Tapos 106. Tapos 100. Tapos 64. Tapos 101. 101. Tapos 29. Tapos 81. Yan. So, may create na tayo. So, ang hanapin natin is track naman nila. Kung paano natin isosolve yung buong track nila. So, dito base sa table natin, from track 70 minus kung ano yung number na nandito, 119 is equal to 49 tracks. Tapos from track 119 to track 59 equals 58 tracks. From track 59 to track 111 equals to 50 track. Tapos from track 111 to track 37 equals 106 track. Tapos from tracks 37 to tracks 106 equals track 69 tracks. From tracks 106 to 64 equals 42 tracks. From tracks 64 to tracks 101 equals 37 tracks. Tapos from tracks 101 to track 29 equals 72 tracks. From tracks 29 to equals 52 trucks. So, total lang natin lahat. 535 trucks. So, yan lahat ng trucks na nakuha natin from this first come first serve algorithm.